How to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have logged into the account that you would want to stop the verification for. So tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Manage your Google account. As you tap on Manage your Google account, it will lead us to a new page. So here, what you simply need to do is just tap on the option of security. As you tap on security, here you can see the option of two-step verification, so just tap on it. As you tap on two-step verification over here, it will lead us to a new page yet again for us, and here you'll be able to see that we need to verify ourselves first of all in order to land into the verification process. So let's just wait for a while until it verifies it's us. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now after that, it will lead us to a new page here again. So just wait for a while, and here you can see the option of turn off two-step verification. So just tap on it, and as you do that, you'll be able to turn off the two-step verification on your Gmail. So just thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.